RS2. Any lifting capacity. Three times, right? Pro is so what we saw with them is basically just lifting about the other. Those guys are other model. That's what they're doing. Great work, Mike. Beautiful. Okay. This one here has a relatively small tripod. Yeah. Bro, hello? Hello? Hey, bro. Yeah. Kari. Anza. Yagura amasira yazuriye simu n'omukyala n'ayinobedi omumba agula endebe n'agula screen n'atandika bizinesi y'okutunda amakaani. Out there you save about 7 million and your dream is to do a videograph and then you buy clothes and stuff. You sell on WhatsApp status. Yeah. Anyway, maybe that was just I won't say much, but just know, but you know how you have this money, then you go out, like this, that money was for this. We're having that conversation, that for this. Then, when you got the money, let's go. I'm going to be married right now. I can't think of marriage right now. You're not married, just look at you. Walk. What is it? RS4 Mini. Both of us this one. Where is the Mini? The Mini. Another one. Yeah. Jenny. It's a Mini here in Nakasal. Capacity in energy. Cylinder is tested for 70. Oh yeah. A minute. Yeah. You have weights. It's calibrating. It's not balanced. It's too much weight. Let me put this one. Pause. Oh my goodness. Pause me in pitch. Honey? Yeah, not a bit. I've never had a katika musao. Nikabujia.
Bring it in.
Is it open? No.
Is it? What?
But it needs to work. Nothing else. So you can mount it.
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
Pretty fat. I'm pretty free. Pause.
These are recordings.
This is a filter.